today we are starting the first exercise, and first questions, first part in mathematics of 8th class. So we are solving this question. In mathematics there is always a rule that first we divide the numbers, then we multiply it, then we subtract it, or then we add it. Here what we are having, first of all we will multiply it, then we will add or subtract it. If we are solving the first question, let us just find out if there is anything we can cancel. 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5, this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled, and we will have minus 2 upon 5, okay, and plus 5 upon 2 as it is, and after that like this 3 and this 2, 3 to just 6, so 6 is cancelled 2 times. We are having 1 upon 5 multiply 2 will be 10. So here we have to take the LCM. LCM is lowest common multiple. LCM of 5 to 10. Like we have to take that number which comes in 5 tables also, 2 tables also, and in 10 table also. You can see that 10 is the number which comes in 5 table, 2 table, and 10 table. Like if we are dividing 10 by 5, so 5 to is 10, minus 2 multiply with 2, okay. After that we are having 2, and 2 5s are 10. It will be 25 because 5 multiply with this 5 will be 25 minus 1 only. Here we will have 4 plus 25 minus 1 upon 10, and this minus 1 and this minus 4. What will be? 25 minus 5, because you might be remembering that minus and minus, like minus sign, if they are near they will be added, but the sign will remain of minus only, and we will have 20 upon 10. After that we will have 2. Okay, so we are solving the second question. This is our second question. As I have said earlier, first we will divide, then multiply. If you can see there is any division, there is no division. So first of all we will multiply it. So see if there is anything in this multiplication we can cancel. There is like 5, 7, 2, 3, there is nothing that we can cancel. So we'll multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So minus 3 2 is minus 6 upon 7 5 is 35 minus, see this 2 can cancel this 6 2 times, and we will have 2 2 is 4, so minus 1 upon 4. After that, in this condition, this 2 can cancel this 14 7 times. We will have 7 5 is 35, 1 upon my 35. Okay. So if we want to find out the LCM of 35, 4 and 35, like both of these numbers 35 and 35 are same, so we are just having problem with this 4. So we can just multiply 35 with 4. If you will multiply 5 4 is 20, 0, 4 is 20, 12 and 14. So we will get 140, and 35 4 is 140, because we have multiplied it with 4, so it will be divided 4 times only, and minus 6 multiply with 4, and this will be 4. If you will divide 140 with 4, it will be 35 times. Minus 35 plus 35, 4 is 140 plus 4. So we will have minus 24, 6 4 is 24, minus 35 plus 4 upon 120, sorry 140. So in the end we will add both of minus numbers, 5 and 4, 9, 2, 3, 5 minus 59 plus 4 divided by 140. Okay, as we have added both of these numbers, but the sign will remain of minus only because both of these numbers were in minus only, and here this 4 will be subtracted from minus 59 and the sign will remain of minus only because minus 59 is a bigger number. So if you will subtract 4, it will be minus 55 upon 140, and see both of these can be divided by 5. So 55 11 times, 140 28 times, and we will have minus 11 upon 28. If you are having any doubt that how 140 is divided 28 times, you can calculate it and divide it and check it whether it is correct or not. This is your homework. See, this is the answer.